So fashion lovers, before we proceed with the drafting, we have to know all about the measurements. And in the first portion of the drafting, we would be looking at the dresses of kids. So first we have to understand what are the measurements of the kids from 3 months to 10 years. In last videos, we have learned about the measurement techniques, and now we'll see the standard measurement table for kids. That means now we would be looking at what are the ideal measurements which are generally be used in the garment industry, or the, you can say, the ready-made garment industry or something. But when you are planning a dress or you are designing a dress for a specific kid, so you have to take the measurement of the child as per the you can say the actual, you can say, right. So first we would be looking for the measurement of kids. What are the standard measurements, actually we would say. First is round neck. Round neck, you know, that is the, you have to keep the tape around the neck of the child. It will help you out to make the dresses of collars or something like. So for 3 years baby, round neck measurement would be 9.25 inches. That means 9.25 inch. Then it will increase by 0.25, 9.5, 9.75, 10, and so on. That means 10.25, 10.5 and so on, right. Measurements are in inches. Next is cross back. Cross back, that means you have to keep the tape at the back of the, at the shoulder of the child or the person to whom you are measuring, and it is the distance between the both shoulder bones. In the last video you must have seen. If you have not, so please visit it again. This is the measurement which actually decide the fitting of the garment. This is 8 inch for 3 to 9 months, 8.5 of around 1 year or so, again 8.5 in 2 years, then it goes to 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, and increase half inches throughout, right. Then all round chest. All round chest generally be increased by 1 inch with the age. Here it is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, here it would be 24.5, then 25, 26, 27, 28 and so on, right. Then waist length. Waist length is, sometime it is increased by 1 and sometime by half. So we'll notice us down, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, 9 inches, here it would be half, 9.5 inches, again half, 10 inches, and now it would be half inch, 10.5, 11, 11.5 and so on, right. Next is all round waist. All round waist is a measurement which generally be increased in a haphazard manner, though it is in a simple manner, but all round waist is entirely we have to, sometime it is half, sometime 1.5 or something. So It starts with 19 inch, 19.5, that means half inch increase, then 21, 21.5, 22, 22.5, 23, 23, 20, 3.5, 24, 24. You don't have to remember this entire table. This is always available and you can note down, you can make your own table and keep it with your drafting table, so that whenever you require you may refer this table. Full length, that means the length of the upper body from shoulder to knee, that we call the full length. That means where you have the skirt length and the waist length both, right? So full length is the shoulder to knee, so it is 14 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches, only half inch increase will be here, 20.5 inch, then 22, 23, 24, 26, 28, 30. This table is made according to the general anatomy of or the growth of the child. Now it comes to full sleeve length. Full sleeve length, shoulder to the upper bone of the thumb is the full sleeve length. That means it starts with 7, 7.5, 8, 9, 9.5, 11, 11.5. Now it goes with half inch, 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5. Right. Now next is half sleeve length, which is generally be the half of the upper, yani that means from shoulder to elbow, right? So it is 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 6.75, 7, 7.25, and finally 7.5. So this is the standard measurement table, friends, and for your ease we'll keep it on my Facebook page also. The link is given in the description. You may have the link and you can get this standard measurement table from there also. So in the next video we'll be meeting with the basic bodice block of a child through tailoring method, and later we will be learning it through the drafting method. Till then, bye bye guys, and we'll meet soon. Thank you.